What is up, everybody? In the last video, we opened up some packages and materials needed to start several new off-grid projects that we've been eager to work on. In today's video, we're using our power station to power our RV, set up a small solar array, and we're also switching out a battery to upgrade our solar power storage in the shipping container. So thank y'all for tuning in. Now let's get to work. What up, y'all? Good morning. I've been out here working already. I'm sweating. I got my stuff on. I've been cutting a little grass. I got the wife and the daughter over there, but I had to cut some grass to even get in this mug because everything had grown up since the few days ago that I was here. But I know y'all see the obvious back there. I know we're gonna talk to y'all about it. It's summertime. It's like June 2nd today, so hopefully I get the video out quick. Y'all will know by the date. But yeah, let me get them some off so they can get sprayed up because the mosquitoes is bad out here right now. And then I'm about to knock it out. We about to get into it. All right, y'all. So y'all, I'm gonna plug it in, but first I'm gonna set a couple of solar panels up and connect them because we about to turn the window unit on in there and get stuff popping. But that should work. My positive and my negative, and all the rest of them are wired. All right, folks, so I brought this out because if you guys live in the RV world, you know what that is. That's an adapter, and I'm gonna pull the wire out of that in a minute, or the power out of that one, and stick in there in a minute. But first, we gonna run, what side is it? It's in the back. We're gonna run this solar in. Ow. And then we're gonna take our connections. That's the 30 amp. And y'all, I'm new at this. I'm gonna plug her in to get my 240. And I just turned it on. Hopefully y'all can kind of see that. Man, it's bright outside, y'all. So I don't think you probably can, but it says it's pulling 139 and it's still sitting at 100%. And then the input of watts up at the top is sitting at 0. So let's see what this is and what's happening, and I could check the app. But anyway, y'all know what's up with the power station. Now that that's done, I can move on to some real work to get some projects done. All right, while that's running, I need to figure a few things out. I'm gonna just start with the project, I guess, that's closest to me to knock out. And actually, y'all, let's talk about this SJY Energy batteries real quick. I'm gonna just disconnect one, roll it out of the way somewhere, and then connect the other one up so that I could get it all charged up. All right, while she is doing that back there, I'm going to unhook this battery.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
All the cups are out of there?
Yeah,
Damn. Okay.
why do I need to take the cups out?
The next, oh, they just look, oh man. Oh man, look, y'all, they done dried completely out. So no water's getting anywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the Rockwell and the plant in there. Anyway, we'll get around to that. Good job on that. And then we need to figure out how to take that lid off. So I guess the cord from behind it, and pop that lid off and set it to the side where we don't have no issues. And then we got to start taking it all the way down section by section. But let me knock this out first, and then we'll get to that in a minute. Cool? Cool. That'll fit. Man, that tight, boy. All right. Y'all can see that that thing is from SJY Energy. And then let me give y'all a little rundown, and I'll show you a little closer. All right, hopefully y'all can see that. The model, you can see that it's a SJY 51.2 volt 300 amp hour battery. The energy storage of it is 15,360 kilowatts. The output voltage is 51.2 VDC. Its rated capacity again is 300 amp hours. Y'all can see the float voltage, the cutoff voltage, the max discharge, which is quite important. The max charge current is 140 amps. So at this point in time, I don't even think for our homestead overall we're gonna be pulling that much current, but listen, or charging at that current. But just so y'all can see, that's what we have there. The battery also has the DIPs, the dry connection right here, and then the RS485, the CAN, the RS232, the RS485A, and then 485B. And then you can see this little guy right here is for Wi-Fi. I told y'all in another video that one of the craziest things about this battery is that it doesn't have Bluetooth, which is fine, but it'll work for what I'm trying to use it for. Plus I'm using a lot of different batteries. And then I'm just turning it around, show y'all backside and the side, nothing's there. So y'all kind of see what the deal is with this battery. On the front, we've already seen, got your on offs, you'll run your alarm, and then your battery meter. But oh, one more thing, man, y'all see those casters down there when we roll it around? I mean, they are solid. Let me see if I can get a close-up for y'all. But man, they are solid, and and when they get to a certain level, you can roll that down. I'm going the wrong direction, and make it tight to the ground so that it doesn't move or roll off anywhere. Yeah, y'all, again, they sent your boy not one but two. So again, dope battery, link will be in the description. But the biggest issue I'm having with them at this point is that they don't have breakers, which I told y'all in the last video, right? So in place of that, we put this fuse on there, and you can see the fuse is 100 amp 58 volt, and it's by, hopefully y'all can see that, Bojack, and it's just in between my positive. So it's a break there to make sure that nothing happens with the wire. And then from that, of course, y'all, if you're new here and haven't seen this, it's just basically my bus bars where my positive comes in, my negative, and from my positive I got the break to the inverter, and then from the negative it just goes straight down to the goes through this shunt first so I could check everything out. And then those are my positive and my negatives that I connect to the battery, or I guess I'm about to connect to that battery. So let's move this guy out the way for a second. We'll just stick him there so we can move this over. We'll get this rolled almost into place. And where's my screwdriver at? And it's hot, y'all, so y'all saw the crazy sweat, or y'all could see this crazy sweat on me. All right, run that. All right, that's on there pretty nice and solid. Let me take this other one off. And
Scissors or razors?
bunch of scissors. Bought them the other day. You want just,
It's up there.
yeah. Hands sweating, yeah. All right, we good to go there. So now I should be able to just turn these bad boys back on.
Okay.
All right. Everything just turned back on. But all right, y'all can see I'm about to get this battery put back, and that battery is now hooked up, and you can see it's blinking. The other one I believe was full, but that's blinking. And the plan today was to get those two batteries connected back to my system, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. We're gonna leave this from where it is. Subscribe, like, hype, look, thumbs up some stuff. She hot. We're gonna be in here another little while though, and we're gonna come at y'all with another video. So yeah, do all that stuff. We'll see y'all in a minute. Peace.